Hello friends, good morning and welcome. My name is Chitra Varun and I am discussing previous year questions of SSC-CGL 2016 of biology section. So let's begin friends. These are my credentials. Now move on to the question. Companion cells are unique to Bryophyta, Pteridophytes, Gymnosperm, Angiosperms. So friends, companion cells are unique to the angiosperms. Angiosperms are the vascular plant where the phloem tissues are found. In this phloem tissue, companion cells are present. So correct answer is D. Sex ratio is A, number of females per 1000 males, B, number of males per 1000 female, C, number of female per 100 males, D, number of males per 100 females. Friends, sex ratio is used to describe the number of females per 1000 of male. So here A is a correct answer. The largest pollution in the world: A, herbicides, B, automobile exhaust, C, sewage and garbage, D, industrial effluents. This is the largest here the source of pollution. So correct answer is sewage and garbage. The largest source of pollution in the world is sewage and garbage. Lacrymal glands are situated in palms, buccal cavity, eye orbit, stomach. Lacrymal glands are situated in upper lateral region of each eye orbit. So here correct answer is C. The most extensive use of molasses after fermentation is for producing methanol, sugar, this is sugar, ethanol, sugarcane. So correct answer is C. Molasses after fermentation is used for producing ethanol. Molasses is used for production of ethanol. Acid rain is caused due to pollution of atmosphere by oxides of nitrogen and sulphur, by oxide of nitrogen and phosphorus, by oxide of carbon and nitrogen, by oxide of nitrogen and methane. So acid rain is caused due to the pollution of atmosphere by oxide of nitrogen and sulphur. So correct answer is A. Motor skills are associated with which part of the brain? Frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, occipital lobe. Correct answer is A. Motor skills are associated with the frontal lobe of the brain. Which of the following enzyme is present in all members of animal kingdom except protozoa? Insulin, pepsin, renin, amylase. So amylase, which is not present in the amylase is present in all the animal kingdom, all the members of animal kingdom, but it is not present in the protozoa. It is present in the human saliva, and it helps in digestion of carbohydrate. So correct answer is D. It is not present in protozoa. The most serious air pollutant causing health hazard is sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, ozone, nitrogen oxide. So the most serious air pollutant causing health hazard is sulfur dioxide. It causes inflammation in eye and it also irritates the mucous membrane of eye, nose, throat and lungs. And it also causes irritation and inflammation in human respiratory system. So it is a most serious air pollutant. Which of the following has open vascular system? Cockroach, human, rat, birds. Open vascular system is found in cockroaches because the blood vessels are poorly developed. In this system, blood is pumped by the heart and flow open in blood cavity, and organs floating in blood get nutrition directly. So here open vascular system found in cockroaches. So correct answer is A. The human feces is yellow in color due to the presence of pigment called pepsin, amylase, renin, urobilin. Friends, there is no option for this question because stercobilin is a tetrapyrrolic bile pigment that is responsible for the brown color of the human feces, and this is the end product of heme catabolism. But there is no option, and urobilin is a pigment that is responsible for the yellow color of the urine. So we will tick on this option because these are enzymes, pepsin, amylase and renin. These are the enzyme and they are not associated with this question. So we will tick on this. Otherwise, its correct answer is stercobilin. What is contained in chlorophyll? Sodium, potassium, magnesium, magnesium. Correct answer is D. Magnesium is contained in the chlorophyll molecule. Chlorophyll is a pigment that is responsible for the photosynthesis reaction. Why carbon monoxide is a pollutant? A. React with hemoglobin. B. Make nervous system inactive. C. It react with oxygen. D. It inhibit glycolysis. Carbon monoxide binds to hemoglobin at the same site as oxygen bind, but approximately 210 times more tightly. And if we breathe carbon dioxide, it has a strong affinity to bind with iron in the hemoglobin and does not dissociate easily, so that there is a reaction and which causes the killing of human being. So it react with the carbon monoxide react with the hemoglobin more tightly than oxygen. So it is a correct answer. The biogas used for cooking is a mixture of A. Carbon dioxide and oxygen, B. Isobutane and propane, C. Methane and carbon monoxide, D. Methane and carbon dioxide. Biogas is a mixture of different type of gases, but major portion of the biogas used for cooking is a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide. And in trace amount there is a hydrogen, moisture and hydrogen sulfide is also present, but majorly there is a main gas is methane and carbon dioxide. So correct answer is D. Azolla increase soil fertility for maize cultivation, barley cultivation, rice cultivation, wheat cultivation. Friends, azolla is a water fern and it increases the soil fertility and it acts as a biofertilizer. So it is used in a rice cultivation. Silkworms feed on basil leaves, curry leaves, rose leaf, mulberry leaves. Silkworms feed on mulberry leaves. Mulberry is also known as shahtoot in Hindi. So correct answer is D. Sexual reproduction organ of Aspergillus are spermatium and oogonium, antheridium and oogonium, spermatium and ascogonium, antheridium and ascogonium. Sexual reproductive organ of Aspergillus. Aspergillus is a fungi and its sexual reproductive organs are antheridium and ascogonium. Antheridium is a male sexual reproductive organ and ascogonium is a female reproductive organ. So correct answer is D. Which of the following is not true about X-rays? A. Have low penetrating power. B. Travel with the speed of light. C. Can be reflected and refracted. D. Can affect photographic plate. So all statement like travel with the speed of light, can be reflected and refracted, can affect photographic plate, these all are true about X-rays. But if we see option A, X-rays have low penetrating power, so it is not correct. It is not true about X-rays. X-ray have high penetrating power so that they can easily enter into our body during when we do X-rays. So correct answer is A here. Which of the following weeds is effective in controlling water pollution by industrial effluents? A. Parthenium, B. Water hyacinth, C. Elephant grass, D. Mogar grass. So correct answer is Parthenium. Parthenium is a shrub and it is a weed that is effective in controlling water pollution by industrial effluents. So correct answer is A. Sewage water is A. Wastewater released from kitchen, wastewater released from factories, wastewater released from toilets, wastewater released from hospitals. So sewage is a wastewater released from the sink or household like kitchen, sinks, bathroom. So here correct answer is sewage water is a wastewater released from the kitchen. Which mosquito is carrier of Zika virus? A. Culex, B. Anopheles, C. Aedes, D. Culiceta. So here correct answer is C. Aedes mosquito is a carrier of Zika virus. Root cap is derived from dermatozoan, calyptrozoan, histozoan, protoderm. Calyptrozoan is a layer of actively dividing cell that is present at the cap of the root. So it is root cap is derived from the calyptrozoan layer. Morphology of chromosome can be best studied at interphase, prophase, metaphase, zygotine. Morphology of chromosome can be best studied at the metaphase stage because in this state they remain as a most condensed and coiled form. So they are easily seen at this stage. So correct answer is C. The blotting techniques used to identify the isolated protein is northern blotting, southern blotting, western blotting, cloning. So northern blotting is a technique that is associated with the isolation of protein. Here we can see protein, and southern blotting is associated with the DNA and western blotting is associated with the RNA. So here correct answer is A. Northern blotting is used to identify the isolated protein. Which of the digestive organ contain acid? Stomach, small intestine, appendix, colon. So hydrochloric acid is present inside the stomach. It is produced by the stomach. So correct answer is A. It is also known as gastric acid. Which of the following fiber considered as the strongest natural fiber? A. Cotton, B. Jute, C. Wool, and D. Silk. Correct answer is D. Silk is a strongest natural fiber. It is toughest natural fiber. So correct answer is D. In the absence of atmosphere, sky would appear blue, deep red, white, black. If Earth has no atmosphere, then there would be no gas present in the atmosphere. Since there is no scatterer, means because gas act as a scattering of light. Agar gas nahi hogi, so there will be no scattering, and there is no scattering of light, so that there would be a dark color. It will cause dark color. If absence of atmosphere, sky would appear black color. In conclusion, we can say if there is no atmosphere, that means there is no gas present inside the atmosphere, and because the gas act as a scattering of light, so there will be no scattering of light. So correct answer is D. Then sky would appear black only. Ozone saves the biosphere by absorbing high energy radiations called A. infrared rays, B. gamma rays, C. UV rays, D. X rays. So ozone act as a filter for filtering the highly harmful radiation of ultraviolet rays. So ozone saves the biosphere by absorbing high energy radiation called as ultraviolet rays. Biofertilizer convert nitrogen to ammonia, nitrates, nitrogenase, amino acids. Biofertilizers convert nitrogen to ammonia, and this process is known as nitrogen fixation. So correct answer is A here. The natural habitats of rhinoceros in India is Bharatpur Gir forest, Kanjiranga, Nilgiri. So natural habitats of rhinoceros in India is a Kanjiranga forest in Kanjiranga National Park. So correct answer is C, and it is located in the Assam. The most productive ecosystem in biosphere: A. desert, B. open ocean, C. estuary, D. tundra. The most reproductive ecosystem in biosphere is estuaries. Estuary is the large part of the river at the place where it joins the sea. So correct answer is C. Male mosquito take their food from human blood, standing water, sap of plants, dung of debris. Male mosquito take their food from sap of the plant, and if we talk about female mosquito, then they take their food from human blood. The specific role of vitamin K is in the synthesis of albumin, globulin, prothrombin, antibodies. So vitamin K helps in the synthesis of prothrombin. It is a blood clotting factor. So correct answer is polio is caused by bacteria, virus, fungus, protozoa. Correct answer is B. Polio is caused by polio virus. Potato is a root, stem, bud, stem. So potato is a stem. Both are correct, B and D. Hematopoiesis takes place in lungs, liver, bone marrow, pancreas. So first of all, we have to know what is hematopoiesis. It is a process of formation of new blood cells. So it takes place inside the bone marrow of the bone. So correct answer is C. Dash is the hormone that regulates the amount of glucose in blood. A. glucagon, B. oxytocin, C. thyroxine, D. insulin. Correct answer is D. Insulin is the hormone that regulates the amount of glucose in blood. Pellagra and scurvy is caused by which pair of vitamin deficiency respectively? Vitamin C and vitamin D, vitamin B12, vitamin C and vitamin A, vitamin A and vitamin B12. Pellagra is caused by vitamin B12 and scurvy is caused by vitamin C. Pellagra is marked by 3 Ds like dementia, diarrhea and dermatitis, and vitamin C is vitamin C deficiency causes scurvy and it is associated with the gums. So correct answer is B. In a biofortification technique, plant breeder use breeding to overcome a loss due to insect pests, decrease in food production, deficiency to plant micronutrient and vitamins, loss due to plant disease. In a biofortification process, plant breeder use breeding to overcome deficiency to plant micronutrient and vitamin. So here biofortification is a technique by which nutrient quality of crop is improved by various conventional methods and modern biotechnological technique, and thereby they can reduce the deficiencies to plant micronutrient and vitamins. So correct answer is C. So these are all about biology questions of SSC-CGL 2016 of previous year, and thank you very much friends, and we will continue our previous year questions in our next slides. So thank you very much.